All right, this is You Are Gold by the National Parks. First things first, the capo is on the 4th fret. This is how the guy plays it in the band. We're in the key of E. So there is your E shape. The plucking pattern over here is going to be the National Parks guy just does it with his first finger. So that's thumb, thumb, string 4, thumb 3, 4, 3. Okay. So that's the first part. Now, first chord. The next one, you keep that E shape, and then your pinky's going to reach up for the G sharp. Well, it's not really a G sharp, but with the capo on, it looks like it is. 4th fret right there. So we start off by going 1, and then we go to the pinky here 4 times, and then back to open string 4 times, and then pinky again. And then right here, pinky comes off, second finger goes to the 2nd fret here, and you're going to do 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you go back to the E for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the You Are Gold part, okay? Now there's the way he does it, and then there's like a cheat way of doing it. I guess I'll give you the cheat way first. The cheat way is to just take your 2nd finger off, okay? These fingers here, they're gonna also go over 1 string. So your thumb was on string 6, this was on string 3, now it's 5 and 2. And you're going to do the same pattern. And it's you are, and then gold. You put your 2nd finger back on. Okay. So I'm going to do that again. Take your finger off, and 'cause you are gold. And then you do that 3 times. So you do the E one 3 times. And then you do the same thing. Scooch up. Then 3, 2, 3. Oops. And then. Okay. Now on the last time, he's gonna go. He does this. Back to the E. And then he's gonna do like a power chord shape on a B, like a B power chord, except you don't want to do that power chord thing where you have your fingers flat and you mute the strings. You want to get on the tips of your fingers because you're going to use these open strings up here. Okay, and now your fingers in your right hand are again covering string 5 through 2, and so he actually, you only play it once, and then you can hear him on the recording. He does pluck this finger, but his left hand is in the process of shifting, and so it just like gets that kind of sound. And then you scooch up 2 frets, and this right hand's doing the same thing it's been doing all along, okay? Except your thumb is on string 5, and your first finger is on strings 2, is alternating between 2 and 3. So, okay. So that part, let's see. Let's start at the You Are Gold part. So it goes, 'cause you. Try to sing because I'm gonna butcher it, but it's because you are, no wait, because you are going to, da 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 da. Wow, I'm really butchering that. For anyone, any random person watching this video, I'm not a guitarist. Okay, you do that one, and then for the final "You Are Gold," you go back to that shape without this finger. You are, sorry, you are gold. Okay, I'm gonna have trouble doing it in time for you, but those are all the shapes. I'm gonna show you what he does. Instead of lifting up his finger, the National Parks singer, what he does is he actually he lifts his first finger off, takes these two fingers up here to what's called an A sus2. Okay? That's the chord you should get. And the right hand does it like I showed you, but it's a little trickier the way he does it because he goes, and on the last pluck, he switches, and then he puts these two fingers back in time for the E chord. So I'm going to show you. So you got to do a little bit of this motion in this hand for that to work. Okay. Now the reason why he does that is because it really is an A sus2, and later on in the song when he just starts strumming, that's the shape it's got to be. You can't use the cheat later on in the song. If you strum on this chord, it's not quite the right sound. It's not terrible, but it's not the sound that he's using. So you have to scoot these two fingers up to get that A sus2. Okay, and then back to the E chord. Okay. Yeah. So I think that's it.